coffee ring on the desk. Yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lines of code like columns snap to grid, then transform. Cursor tracing floor plans, nested loops and daylight schemes. Stacking cells, her steel and glass into quiet humming dreams. Click save on a sky I'm building in this calm electric air. Tiny sparks of thought keep spilling from the clouds inside my chair. All these future streets I'm drawing, thread through servers, soft and clean. Creative breakthroughs keep on dawning in my slow sewing machine. Oh. Parametric daylight study, Python whispering, try again. One small change in logic and the whole frame shifts within.